It has the view. I actually kind of like that. But there's a secret to this room. Oh no, the house looks messy, but not downstairs, only up here. It's such high ceilings. The bathroom is freaking great and it's pretty cool. We're gonna go and check out one of my listings this time, not just a new home or another home. This is a house we're putting right on the market and it's priced so aggressively. It's a fantastic home. Nearly 2,500 square feet. It comes in at 2,484 square feet. So this is a great house. My listing. Let's go check it out. Hi, I'm Adam Hopkins and welcome to Living in Las Vegas. This channel is all about Las Vegas and Las Vegas real estate, so if that's of interest to you, you know what to do right below. Bam, bam. First of all, I sold this to my client. He loved the kitchen and for good reason. So many freaking cabinet spaces. It has a backsplash, granite countertops everywhere. You have a pass-through kind of bar thing here going on, which is great with all the shelves and all the things. Now, it is a little dated with this. A lot of people don't like this wood, but I think it's really nice. I like the real wood as opposed to the painted, which you see a lot where they just paint white paint over it. Good sized kitchen. You got your oven and microwave, your dishwasher, your fridge right here, easy to reach. I like having an island and it's got a lot of storage in the island, which is cool. Right off of that is a formal dining room. I like that it can be used, you know, that it's just a dining room, you know. I mean, typically these are off a little further away. I like that it's attached right to here. You get your bar, pass-through, buffet, you know, whatever. This is freaking awesome. You have an exit here. Now, one of the things, this house does not have a backyard. It's very, very small. The nice thing about this is you really don't have a lot to maintain. So if backyard's really not important, you find that you never go and use it except for to barbecue something, this place is great for you because you have no maintenance. Don't have to worry about that. All the maintenance on the ground's taken care of you, and it's awesome. I like the high doors, all high doors here, high ceilings, which is really cool. As you come in the door, you're immediately to your right will be the kitchen, and you'll have a little half bath for guests, which I love having the half bath because it keeps your guests not using the same bathroom your kids are using. Then right here you have a den, or a little office space, which is just great. Then you have a living room slash family room here. Plenty of space for a big old freaking screen TV, open. All the space is well used here. Let's go take a look upstairs before we do that. Nice little closet. It does have an alarm system built in, all smart devices, connects to your phone. It's really cool, and cameras. Very dramatic stairway up. So this comes into the loft area, which is great. And then straight in front of you is the laundry room. You have, this is kind of interesting, you have a washer on one side and the dryer on the other. So you're like, boop, boop, boop. I actually kind of like that. Loft is great if you have kids. You put them up here. This is their Nintendo game room, whatever it is. This is where they make their mess. And it doesn't trickle downstairs into where your guests are gonna be. You know, surprise, somebody came to visit you, you're in-laws. Oh no, the house looks messy, but not downstairs. Kids' bathroom, it's got double sink. You have a shower tub combo, perfect. 4 bedrooms all upstairs. They're all good size. But this one has the view. It's not a bad view. It's not of an ocean or a beach or a mountain, but not bad. That leads us to my favorite part, the primary bedroom. Now this primary bedroom I really like. It's really cool. In fact, I'm certain that it's why my client ended up buying this house over a lot of other homes. Let's check it out. Okay, for one, you have this cool little balcony sitting right over here. Okay, and it has a beautiful little kind of garden area with benches, and you can sit out there and just chillax, listen to some music, enjoying the evening. I like it. Plenty enough space to put a king-size bedroom. Still have room for some TVs on the wall. Have this beautiful fireplace. Let's check out the bathroom. Is freaking great. You got the pedestal right here for the his and the hers, or the hers and the his, whichever. You have the bathtub here, nice shower, all beautiful tile. Then you have a little commode right here with its own little door. The closet's got great space. You have an up and down. If you're a woman, you need some dresses. You're probably gonna take out some of this just to, for full hanging things, but I like how functional this is. You can get a lot hung up in here. This would work for my wife and I, and that's saying something, because beautiful bathroom and closet space. I like when the closet's right off the bathroom, easy to get changed, right out of the shower, that kind of stuff's kind of cool. But there's a secret to this room, okay? And it's pretty cool. You have an extra room here. It's a little secret cove here. This is where I'd put our TV, we'd hang out here. So cool. I mean, I know it's a desert, I need the fireplace, but that's really cool. It's a pass-through fireplace, you can see both sides. Plenty enough room for a little couch, your TV setup area, and super cool. Love this little turret kind of thing from the front of the house. And then I love the little balcony. In the comments below, I want to know if you like this house. What do you think in your market this house would be priced at? Right now, the price is $420, and that is considerably lower than what it would have been back in June. Reach out to me if this seems to be the right house for you. If not, I don't care. I'll find you the right house. Be sure to reach out to me. My information is below. Let's go find you the right house. I hope this is it. If it's not, somebody else is going to snatch this up in no time. Catch me on the next videos. Thanks for watching this one. I feel like we've got a connection here at this point. So if you want to go ahead and subscribe, take our relationship to the next level, then do that right below. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.